Yeah, what's going on, people? Chef Proficiency again. I'm cooking okra soup with Ugwu vegetable and uziza vegetable with crayfish, goat meat, locust beans, periwinkle, and two types of dry fish, roasted catfish and kpanla. You get it? So we're good to go. Follow me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. Subscribe to this channel. Drop your comments. Share to your friends. Share to everybody. All those baddies wey no sabi cook. Now guys sabi cook, no be very baddie. Yeah, this is a free class. Special okra soup. Yeah, I have my crayfish. I'm going to grind some of this crayfish, and I'll add some to it directly. This is my ugu, sliced ugu, and I have my uziza right there. Then okra, I made sure she selected small okra, periwinkle, yeah, and these two type of roasted fish, roasted catfish and roasted kpanla. Then I have pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. I also have two types of pepper here. This one in nylon is more expensive. It is much more tastier. It's even expensive than the entire pepper in that plate. Yeah, I like onions. You can see my goat meat, Ponmo, which will be thoroughly washed with iron sponge, my locust beans, and my favorite Maggie. So now it's time to boil the goat meat. You add onion, fresh onion to your goat meat whenever you're boiling it. Never make that mistake. If you don't go use onion, take boil your meat. So they'll take pursue you, come off for house. No let them teach you that one again. And add your favorite Maggie. So Maggie. Then small curry and thyme. Just small. If you like, go put plenty curry, don't spoil your meat. Small curry, small. See, the cover is not even full. This time, very small. Ching ching. Then you add small salt. We go reach out. Salt must dey your meat. They no need to tell you that. Salt, small salt. Then after you don't wash your Ponmo thoroughly with iron sponge, you go wash inside like this. You cut and put, so you avoid tasteless Ponmo. Just depends on the sizes you want to cut the Ponmo. You can cut it big, you can cut it small, but I like it just mid-size, not too small and not too big, so the Ponmo can go round. So cut your Ponmo puto. Then I'll also be adding the fishes to it as it boils, so that this my catfish and my kpanla of pieces here. I want to add it to the meat. It's been boiling for like 10 minutes, so I'll add it. The fish can also soak up spice. I did give an expo. My meat is done. I want to remove the stock, the water of the meat and fish. So I'm going to keep this stock, all the Maggi, onion, fish and meat and Ponmo spice in here. Soaking in my crayfish. Get started. Pepper. Small Ponmo. Just small. Very small Ponmo. So I've added my pepper to the meat and Ponmo and fish. So I will let it boil for like 5 minutes before I add other ingredients. Follow me. Gang. This is some of my crayfish, which is grinded. I'll add small into it, not everything. Why am I retaining this? So that I can still have that crayfish taste. And it means I'll have to add it towards the end of the soup so that the vibe can still be there. So I've added like 70% into this paste. Then this is stuck. The meat water, the goat meat water, fish, Ponmo. I want to add it to it. Not everything. So I still have some left. It's boiling. I let it boil for some like 5 minutes again before I start adding my periwinkle, locust beans, diced okra, then the grinded okra. Pshung, pshung. Little bit of water. I want to add my periwinkle and I'll wash the locust beans, get it ready, before you know this food go done. I know we'll give on a sharp. Yeah. Everything is about to go inside. So now I'm starting with diced okra, locust beans, periwinkle. Periwinkle. The periwinkle is going in after the locust beans. Periwinkle, you can go in any order. My diced okra will go in. My Ugwu will go in, but I'll let the Ugwu go last. See this guy here? See the way it is? I had okra. Goat meat water. Then remember my grinded crayfish that I reserved. Ching! See, so it's going in. All this one I have to rinse it. Nothing they waste for this kitchen. I have just my Ugwu and uziza thoroughly washed thrice, 3 times, and my grinded on okra. My grinded okra is going last. You get it? Again, the last. This one is going before the Ugwu and uziza. I'm putting it at the same time so that the Ugwu will not be too soft, the uziza will not be too soft. Let's go. This is grinded. I grinded it with onion too, so it's gonna be tasty. now the okra paste is in it. Diced okra is in it. Periwinkle, Ponmo meat, they are all in it. Then time to put the vegetable. Now I've washed my vegetable thrice. I'm still going to wash it for the fourth time while I'm putting it there, because at times vegetable can be stubborn, and if there is sand in your vegetable, you don't spoil your soup. So don't be lazy. Wash your vegetable, wash your Ponmo well. Everything must be washed thoroughly. Yeah. This is the final. Vegetable is final because if you put it too early, it will be too soft. So you have to put it last when you are putting your okra paste. You see, I diced some of my okra, I grinded some. That's the formula to have a very slimy okra. You have to grind some of it, or you pound some of it. Then also don't cover your okra soup when you are cooking it. Now grandma teach me that one. They need the cover, and yeah sure. That's my mom, you know. Shout out to my mom. Rest in peace, my mom and my grandma. They raised the men. Now, can you see it? Slimy, slimy, oh slimy, slimy. You know, when you're adding Ponmo to okra, it must be very little, because if it's too much, your okra will be red and oily. Now why Igbo go call am ofe mado. So if you don't make it be ofe mado, small oil. Yes. Una see how they draw. Now see how they draw. See how slimy it is. How slimy. Slimy is thick, full of protein. It's greenish, you know, and very little palm oil. It's tasty. Make una subscribe, make una dey subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Finally my eba is ready. Then the slimiest, sweetest okra soup. Ila alasekpo. Yoruba call okra ila. When you say ila alasekpo, that's ila with plenty ndaboski in the whole gbogbo. See how slimy it is. Slimy. Look at add goat meat to goat meat. Yeah, here it is, guys. Thanks for watching. The okra is ready, the eba is ready. Make sure you subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you.